Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0741, which indicates an issue with the torque converter clutch, TCC, circuit on the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. The TCC is a crucial component within the continuously variable transmission, CVT, and its primary role is to improve fuel efficiency by locking the engine to the transmission under certain operating conditions. This enhances the power transfer and reduces slippage. The TCC is located within the transmission assembly, interacting with the torque converter itself. A malfunction in this system can lead to suboptimal performance, increased fuel consumption, and potential transmission issues over time. Therefore, it's essential to thoroughly troubleshoot and resolve any errors indicated by this DTC. The Diagnostic Trouble Code P0741 pertains to issues within the torque converter clutch, TCC circuit, specifically indicating performance problems or that the clutch is stuck in the off position. The TCC serves to lock the engine and transmission together to minimize engine load, thus optimizing fuel efficiency. This component's malfunction can lead to slippage during acceleration or a lack of response in speed adjustments. This DTC is specific to vehicles equipped with a continuously variable transmission, CVT. The TCC is integrated into the transmission assembly, making its accessibility more complex during service operations. Identifying this error early can help in maintaining the vehicle's optimal performance and preventing further damage. Several factors can trigger the occurrence of DTC P0741. One primary cause is a faulty shift solenoid valve B, which can significantly disrupt the hydraulic control that governs the TCC operation. If this solenoid fails, it may prevent the TCC from engaging correctly, leading to performance issues. Another potential cause is a malfunctioning CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve. Similar in function to shift solenoid valve B, this component aids in controlling the clutch mechanism, and its failure could prevent proper locking, causing slippage. Lastly, issues within the hydraulic circuit that connects these components can also result in inadequate clamping force, thus affecting the operation of the TCC, leading to the P0741 code. Drivers experiencing DTC P0741 may notice several symptoms indicating transmission issues. One common symptom is increased fuel consumption, as the engine struggles to achieve optimal efficiency due to the malfunctioning TCC. Another key symptom is unresponsive acceleration. The vehicle may feel sluggish when trying to speed up, signaling that the TCC is not locking as it should. Poor overall transmission performance can also be evident, manifesting in delayed shifts or a noticeable increase in engine RPM during driving. Awareness of these symptoms can guide drivers to seek diagnostic services promptly to prevent further transmission damage. Keeping track of these signs can ensure the long-term health of the vehicle. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P0741 involves verifying the problem accurately. Start by turning the ignition to the on position, ensuring that the vehicle's electrical systems are engaged without starting the engine. After this, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the error code, setting the stage for a fresh diagnostic approach. Next, warm the engine to its normal operating temperature, which is confirmed when the radiator fan has activated twice. This step is crucial, as various transmission functions vary with temperature. Subsequently, conduct a test drive at approximately 37 miles per hour on a flat road for at least 1 minute, allowing the system to operate under genuine driving conditions. After stopping the vehicle, repeat the initial steps to verify whether the DTC reappears. This approach helps diagnose if the problem is consistent, leading to further checks. Proceeding to the second step in troubleshooting DTC P0741. Perform a detailed test on the shift solenoid valve B. This component is responsible for controlling hydraulic flow within the transmission, impacting shifting performance, and consequently, the TCC operation. Use diagnostic tools to assess whether the solenoid operates correctly. If the solenoid functions properly, it indicates that this particular unit is not the source of the problem, and the diagnostic steps should continue to the next area of focus. However, if the solenoid is found to be faulty, it necessitates replacement of the valve body assembly, as this is essential for proper hydraulic modulation in the transmission. Thus, verifying the condition of shift solenoid valve B is a critical step in addressing the root cause of the P0741 DTC. The final step in the diagnostic procedure for DTC P0741 focuses on the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve. This solenoid directly impacts the functionality of the TCC within the transmission system. Using a diagnostic tool, conduct a thorough performance test to determine if the solenoid operates as intended. Should it be confirmed to be functioning correctly, it necessitates either replacing the valve body assembly or the torque converter, along with cleaning of the hydraulic circuit to ensure proper operation of the assembly. However, if the solenoid fails to meet its operational standards, it is deemed faulty, requiring the replacement of the valve body assembly alone. This step solidifies the pathway to resolving issues surrounding the TCC, potentially improving overall vehicle performance. To complete the repair process related to DTC P0741, conduct a final verification to ensure that all issues have been adequately resolved. Begin by clearing the DTC with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, once again. Follow this with a comprehensive test drive of the vehicle, allowing it to operate under various conditions, including acceleration, cruising speeds, and deceleration. During this period, closely monitor the vehicle's performance, checking for the reappearance of the DTC. It is vital to observe if the vehicle operates smoothly, confirming that the repair has successfully restored the TCC's functionality. This verification ensures that no underlying issues remain, providing both the technician and the vehicle owner peace of mind regarding the repairs conducted. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding DTC P0741 and ensuring the longevity of the vehicle's transmission system. Regular checks of the transmission fluid level and condition are essential. Clean fluid facilitates optimal performance in the hydraulic system. Additionally, monitoring the performance of solenoids, including the shift solenoid valve B and the CVT lockup solenoid, can provide early indicators of potential failure. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule offered by Honda not only helps in keeping the vehicle's transmission healthy, but also serves to preemptively address any issues before they escalate. Timely interventions based on this routine maintenance can significantly reduce the occurrence of this or similar DTCs, thus enhancing the overall driving experience. In summary, understanding and addressing DTC P0741 involving the torque converter clutch circuit is essential for maintaining vehicle performance in the Honda Civic from 2016 to 2021. Early identification of symptoms, such as increased fuel consumption and unresponsive acceleration, can facilitate timely interventions, minimizing the risk of significant transmission issues. The troubleshooting steps, from verification to solenoid testing, are critical for accurate diagnosis and repair. Regular maintenance practices, including fluid checks and adherence to the maintenance schedule, can help prevent the recurrence of this DTC. Ultimately, Maintaining the integrity of the transmission system directly correlates with the vehicle's performance, fuel efficiency, and overall reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!